Hello everyone. We will explore the Elementor library of Medinik. With a single click, you will be able to import multiple sections and home pages. That's incredible. We will first turn on unfiltered file uploads in the Elementor settings. SVG was frequently used. Unless you permit that, there will be no import of the SVG. Time to import a section now. There are numerous tabs available, including home pages, sections, etc. The number of images being imported will affect how long it takes. Images will be imported from the demo sites. This means that after clicking on Insert, you must wait a few times. Sections have now been imported, as you can see. That is considerably more convenient for users. Any part can now be imported into any demo.